They fight with the body whenever there is any infection, whenever there is any bacteria which enters. The first thing our body does is auto defense, that is immediately work and try to protect your body. Immunity is the first line of defense, isn't it? Hi, this is nutritionist Harpreet Pasricha and welcome to FitTak. Today we are going to talk about foods which can help in improving your immunity. So immunity, that is our immune cells. What do? They are like soldiers, they are the army of our body. They fight with the body whenever there is any infection, whenever there is any bacteria which enters. The first thing our body does is auto defense, that is immediately work and try to protect your body. Now, when we are talking about immunity, people talk about haldi milk, people talk about, giloy juice and everything possible on the earth, all the spices and herbs. But my first question comes here is that you have to understand there is no point strengthening the immunity if you are going to continuously weaken it. Okay, so there are certain things which are weakening our immunity. So first of all, you have to stop doing that and then work on strengthening your immunity. So let's see what are the points which weaken our immunity. Now, when it comes to alcohol, junk food, processed food, lifestyle, all these things are weakening your immunity. So if you're going to drink soft drinks, you're going to drink alcohol every day, and then along with that in the night have haldi milk, it's not going to really help you. So first of all, you have to restrict, reduce, do not binge eat or drink any of these things, so that any of these things are not going and weakening your immunity further. So all these things, when I'm talking about processed food, that is your biscuits, namkeens, chocolates, ice cream, soft drink, tang, all that juice is what you drink, processed things, you will have to stop that. Alcohol is something which you have to also stop or restrict. Smoking is another thing which is going to affect your immunity in a negative way. Then very important thing is sleep. Having a sleep cycle, sleeping every day at the same time, sleeping by 11:30, not post that, and then waking up in the morning. Exercising, staying active. These all things are very important, first of all, for us to strengthen our immunity. So if we do that and then along with that have some wholesome diet, that will strengthen our immunity better. Now let me tell you some foods which can help you strengthen your immunity. So first of all, you have to stick to home cooked, fresh, wholesome food. So when I'm saying home cooked food, you all know that I'm saying do not order food from outside very frequently. Stick to home cooked food. Now when I'm saying wholesome food, that means add variety of foods, a variety of fruits, vegetables, grains, pulses, nuts, dairy, all the food groups. So it can be a home cooked food. You'll say, okay, Maggi or a noodle is a home cooked food I'm eating. No, you have to have a wholesome food. So your breakfast, your lunch, your dinner, your mid meals should have varied amount of proteins, carbohydrates, minerals, vitamins, which can come through varied amount of or varied variety of foods, that is different dals, rajmas, fish, chicken, dairy, milk, homemade butter. So all these things together make it wholesome. So make sure that you're doing a wholesome food and not eliminating any food group completely from your diet. 2 is including a protein in your diet. So whether it's your breakfast, lunch, dinner, make sure that you're including enough protein in your diet. How much protein you would need normally if you do not have any kind of medical issues is about 1 gram per kilo body weight. So for example, you are 70 kilos, you need 70 grams of protein. Now you have to have your protein in form of egg, fish, chicken. If you're a vegetarian, still you have a lot of variety. So whether it's spirulina or whether it is different varieties of nuts, rajma, green peas, tofu, these all your dairy products, curd, milk, these all have enough protein into it. And even sattu powder, that's another very good form, besan. So you can use all these things to include protein in your diet on a regular basis. So along with that, vegetables, fruits, or hydrating yourself enough is very important to do. So when I'm talking about fruits, I want you to have local and seasonal foods and seasonal fruits. Say for example, if in your region mango is in season, have mango at that time, or if it is sitafal in season, have sitafal at that time. So whatever are your local produce and whatever is a seasonal produce of vegetables and fruits can help you give variety of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, which can further help in boosting your immune system. Another tip I would give for building your immunity is adding herbs and spices in your diet on a regular basis. Now, we have so many spices in India, we have so many herbs. So whether it is pudina or coriander, that is dhania, kadi patta, or amla or giloy, or jeera, cinnamon, nutmeg, black pepper, haldi. So make sure they are part of your cooking every day. I'm not telling you to do decoctions of this, because that should be done under a supervision of a doctor or nutritionist, but adding these things in your tadkas or adding these things in your food can definitely enhance the property, because most of these spices are antibacterial and antiviral. So try and include them on a regular basis in your food, in your vegetables, in your dal, in your chapati. Now, what else can help you boosting your immune system is having a prebiotic and probiotics. Okay, so including a probiotic like homemade dahi. So I'm specifically saying homemade dahi because that has a better probiotic, and chas, or including homemade pickles. These all will also help in building up your good bacteria. Your gut will be stronger, your gut is healthy, automatically your immune system is stronger, because you're not having issues like constipation or acidity or bloating. So your body is digesting the food well. So include fermented foods like dhokla, idli, or dosa, or dahi, homemade dahi. These all will give you enough probiotic to keep your gut microbiome healthy, and that will automatically strengthen your immune system. So these are my quick tips for you. I hope you follow them and you stay safe and you stay healthy in your homes.